Are you ready to pack smarter? Away delivers every time. I have had this bag for 3 years now, and it has never let me down. The smooth zippers, the wheels, and this beautiful pink color. I absolutely love this bag.
I used to be a Samsonite girl, but within about a year of owning some of my roller bags, you can see that the zippers just keep falling off. So that's when I started to look for other options. I absolutely love my away luggage. I am now a huge fan of the hardtop cases. Absolutely think that they are easier to use. Over here in this zippered section is where I put like my toiletries, my shoes, things like that. Has this nice zipper pouch where I just always stuff my deodorant and things that are always used on every trip. And then over here, there's plenty of room for me to put in anything that I need to. I am traveling during the winter, and so everything takes up more room, but I do have 7 shirts, 4 pairs of pants, 2 sets of t-shirt shorts, my underwear, my socks. I've got my makeup, my toiletries, my extra lingerie. I've got an extra pair of flats, plus I take my slippers because my feet get cold, my jewelry, my toothbrush, and I am ready to rock and to roll. Here we go with my away bag. Absolutely love it. I love that it's bright pink. I love my heart case. I love supporting a woman-owned business, and I really think that you will love away too and be a convert once you give it a shot. I am the Modern Mavennial. Follow me for more travel tips and pearls of wisdom.